like the content on our YouTube channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, turn on the notifications, and we'll post daily videos of new incoming inventory, all makes, all models, foreign and domestic, various types of insurance losses. Right now you're looking at a 2019 Acura ILX A-SPEC. This is a freshwater flood damaged vehicle. We drove this vehicle off the truck. So it starts and drives, it powers up. Right now we're doing our initial assessment of the vehicle. Looks like we may repair this vehicle complete. So far so good. As you can see, there's no rust or corrosion in the engine compartment. I think the vehicle has around 30,000 miles. There's no water in the fluids. So far so good. Do a quick walk around. That's just frost in the headlight. It's not condensation. There's no water in that headlight, which is also a good sign. Body's very clean. Nice sunroof. Got a nice wing in the back. So far so good. Let's take a look inside. Alright. We'll zoom in a little bit. So right now, I'm looking for signs of water. So far no smell, no odor. Trying to look for a visible water line. I don't see any. Nothing so far. Seat tracks are clean. I don't see any water settled there. Look for water settling here. I don't see anything. I don't think water penetrated the interior. If it did, it was minimal. If you look here under the rocker, you can see a line here. So that's possibly where it settled. I don't believe it went inside the vehicle. Let's take a look in the front. Again, water line. Alright, that's good. Probably didn't go over the rocker panel. Let's see here. No signs of water. No signs of water. This is clean, no corrosion. I don't see any water anywhere. Usually you can see dust settling in the crevices. Don't see any water there. Pedals look clean. No smell. I'm gonna say this vehicle did not get any water inside. Perhaps right below the rocker panels. You know, I'm still gonna be careful. We'll still pull the rug on it, make sure 100% that there's no moisture inside. We'll change all the fluids, we'll change all the filters, detail it, take it through inspection. We'll offer financing on something like this. Once it's done, we'll post it on the website under our ready to go section. Give us a call if you're interested. Thanks for watching.